This is not your average lasagna. Imagine layers of rich, creamy cheese, tangy tomato sauce, and pasta so perfect it melts in your mouth. But what if I told you there's a mystery cheese that makes this even better? Stick around because you don't want to miss it. Want 20 more delicious lasagna recipes? Grab them for free at chefcrown.com/lasagna. You'll need 4 types of cheese to make this lasagna unforgettable. Mozzarella for that classic stretch, ricotta for creaminess, Parmesan for a salty kick, and this mystery cheese that takes it to the next level. But we'll reveal that later. First, let's build our flavor-packed sauce. Sauté onions and garlic until fragrant. Then add your favorite ground beef or plant-based alternative. Cook it down until it's golden and irresistible. Now pour in crushed tomatoes and let it simmer. This is where all the magic happens. A generous hit of Italian seasoning makes all the difference. Trust me. And we top it off with even more cheese. But wait, where's that mystery cheese? Keep watching. Cover and bake at 375 degrees for 30 minutes. Then, uncover and let it turn golden brown. Loving this recipe? There's 20 more waiting for you. Download them for free at chefcrown.com/lasagna. Oh yeah, it's happening. The wait is almost over. And here it is, the most decadent, mouth-watering lasagna you'll ever make. Look at that, but we're missing something? This is the secret ingredient. Smoked Gouda. It adds a rich, smoky flavor that takes this lasagna to a whole new level. Just a final touch. And boom, you've got the ultimate 4 cheese lasagna. You have to try this. And when you do, tell me, what's your secret lasagna twist? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deliciousness. See you in the next one. Hey,